Yeah, I don't wanna see you, I don't wanna be, I don't wanna see you every now. I don't wanna see everything now, but I don't wanna see you in there. I wanna ask, is this me? Hello? Is me? Anna, ay, Catalina. So, ang gagawin pala natin today is mas, hindi tayo kakanta ngayon. Ay, kakanta pala tayo. Ano ba yan? Kakanta pala tayo, pero may isang challenge sa pagkanta. At yung gagamitin mo, habang kumakanta, etong bad, etong good. Okay, ito yung bad, tapos ito yung good. Kung alin yung napili mo, magiging bad ka o magiging good ka. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, kanina ko ako at a girl. Tinapon ko na at gano'n natin niya. Okay. Kung sinabi niya, kakantahin natin. Hindi ko alam yung title. Hindi niya sinabi. So, kahit ano nang kakainin ko. Sige. Okay. Yeah. Because it's raining, it's raining. Loving you is 70. What is the lady saying? Coming down. What's it? What is it? Whatever I see, yeah. I don't wanna see, but I ever miss it. Oh. I don't wanna be understand. I don't wanna kiss a weedy out there. Everything's I don't wanna be at. But I wanna see it out every day. Every day is gonna happen. But I don't wanna see everything there. I don't wanna go everything there. I don't wanna see yeah. Tapos na so. Pero may isa pa tayong gagawin. Isang challenge, hindi na tayo kakanta. Eh, bawal ang nakasumbrelo. Bawal magsalamin. Kasi malabo yung mata ko. Okay, alam mo, malabo yung mata ko. Ilalagay ko lang dito sa pinapagpatungan ko. Eto, pipili ka rin kung anong gusto mo. Pero, hindi ako dapat nagpapatalo. Ito ang gagamitin natin.
Halimbawa, nakipagtulungan ang Navy sa mga kumpanya tulad ng BAE Systems upang bumuo ng mga advanced na countermeasures upang protektahan ang kanilang radar at mga sistema ng komunikasyon mula sa
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. I got this. Hello, good na naman ako. Pero, magpapalitan na tayo nito. One, two, three, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Wala, napili ko na yung bad. So, kakanta din tayo dito. Pero ang kakantahin natin is, mga full screen. Eh, yung kinanta ko kanina, The Loving You. Eh, yung screen yun, white. White yung skin nun. Ha? White na yung skin nun eh. Okay. Okay, let's go. Oh my God. Nag-iba yung iba ko. Nag-iba yung color ko. Let's go. Happen, but I don't want to see everything I need. I don't want to think it is. I don't want to see it. I don't want to see. I don't want to get about this. I don't want to get everything there. I don't want everything. But is this gonna happen? I want to happen this, but I don't want to see you there. I don't want to see you there because you are ugly. Di ba ang galing ko kumanta? Because you are ugly. Kasi ang tapos ang ano pala yan kay Cassie. So sometimes kayo tayo kasi. Okay? So, kita nyo naman, cherry blossom yung bedsheet ko. Cherry blossom yung bedsheet ko. Pero sa totoo lang, dito ako nakatira. Sa bahay ko na stairs. Hindi ako Ay, hindi. Sa baba lang yun, yung living room. Sa baba. Yung living room, nandun ako. Sa basement. Nasa basement ako. Doon. Doon ako living room. Oh, living room. Living. May kusina rin doon. Yung kung saan ako nagsabi ng totoo. Sa mga ginagawa ng masama. Okay. Oh. Ate, nakuha ko! Okay, kakanta din tayo. So, kakantahin pa na natin ay karera. Ay, hindi pa ng picture screen. Kakantahin pa na natin is because I love you now. Because I love you now, so I love you now. Okay, go. I love you when I'm 17. But now it's everything. I don't understand because I love you. I'm sorry because I this. I don't wanna cup of fiesta. I don't wanna go every day. Every day. I don't care. I don't care because it's happening and I don't wanna see. Because is this happening? I don't know what is this. Is this just because I never come back? Is this for friends? Is this a kiss? Whatever, city, everything's there. It is, I don't wanna say, keep up everything, yeah, don't, yes, you, take me your body, you, everything's body, so I hear you know everything, through my day, everything's there, I don't wanna see, I don't want that, everything do. Hello guys. Okay. Guys, kita nyo ba yan? Tingnan nyo yung salamin ko. Guys. Okay. Ito. Try nyo guys. Masakit ba sa mata? Ano, okay yung salamin ko? Okay, ito. Anong gusto mo? Ito o ito? Sino yung mas malinaw? So, maglilib ba mo dito? Ito yung sugat ko kanina. Tingnan mo. Ayan, tingnan mo. Yung ano ko kanina, di ba nakakaawa? As in, tingnan nyo. Guys, ano yung sugat ko kanina nung dadapa ako? Diba? Ano yung sugat ko kanina? Diba nagtag ako? Magpa-wipes lang ako. din ako sugat. Diba guys, ang dami ko sugat. Type na type ako talaga na ano. Lagi ako nadadapa. Ako din, mayroon din ako ano dito. Ayun no. Oh, hindi nyo nakikita. Diba? Ang dami ko talaga. Ewan ko lang. Okay, dito na pala nagtatapos ang ating special video.